Hello Liz, it's OC Craft here, and for this video we're going to unbox a Samsung Galaxy A22 smartphone. This smartphone is the new entry level of Samsung Galaxy A series. It has an eye-catching design which makes this unit more stylish. It also has a vibrant display and a powerful camera that captures amazing image. Now let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, it has a quick start guide, a warranty, a USB Type-C charger, a white earphone, and a SIM ejector pin. The Samsung Galaxy A22 smartphone has a fun and colorful design. It comes in black and white variants and a striking pastel mint and violet color. On the right side of the unit, it has a volume adjustment button, a power button, and a fingerprint scanner. Now on the left side, it has a dual nano SIM and external memory card tray. At the bottom part of it, it has a loudspeaker, a Type-C charging port, a microphone, and a head jack. The Samsung Galaxy A22 has a powerful quad-rear camera. It has a high-resolution 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2-megapixel micro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth lens. It is equipped with an optical image stabilizer that keeps photos and footage steadily perfect when shooting vlogs or TikTok videos. Now this is one of my favorite features about this smartphone. It has a 13-megapixel selfie camera that takes delightful shots with selfie focus and smart beauty. Yeah, selfie. Ah. Okay. Ayo. Okay, isa pa. Okay. The Samsung Galaxy A22 smartphone has a 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display that shows bright and realistic colors even when outdoors. It has 90 Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling and switching between apps smoother and with fewer lags. Now for its battery, the Samsung Galaxy A22 smartphone has a 5000 mAh and a 15 watts fast charging feature where you can shot or watch all day without running out of power. For its price, the Samsung Galaxy A22 4G model is priced at 11,990 pesos. For its 5G model, it's priced at 13,990 pesos. And it is available at Samsung Online Store and Experience Stores. Now, they have ongoing promos where you can get the 4G model at 0% interest via home credit for only 481 pesos monthly. And they also have 0% on credit cards until September 30, 2021. Plus, you can also get a 1 year of VU Premier subscription if you register to Samsung membership until November 30, 2021. For more information about the new Galaxy A series, visit www.samsung.com.ph. Overall, I like this product because of its stylish design and it's small compared to the Samsung Galaxy A12. And of course, ang pinakagusto ko dito is yung front cam niya because the front cam is 13 megapixels, so ganda pang selfie. And its display. Its display is so bright and vibrant. For a budget phone like this, it's awesome. Now, if you're looking for a smartphone, check out the Samsung Galaxy A22. So that's it, lovelies. Thank you for watching. Bye!